आरती और मैं 8 साल से डिवोर्स्ड है, बट हम को पेरेंट कर रहे थे। यह भी बाकी बच्चों से काफ़ी अलग थी। आरती का सारा अटेंशन और फोकस यावी पे ही रहता था। पर मुझे एक बात समझ में नहीं आई, आरती यावी की मेडिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स छुपा के क्यों रखती थी, बल्कि उसके काफ़ी डॉक्टर्स चेंज हुआ करते थे।
पापा,
यस बच्चा।
क्या आपको सच में लगता है मैं बहुत बीमार हूँ?
बंद करो मेरे बच्चे के दिमाग में उल्टे सीधे चीजें डालना। यावी, लेट्स गो।
Yavi was mostly absent, but when she was in school, she was very confused and exhausted. She wrote very well, but her theme appeared to be very dark. She was very hesitant to talk to her classmates, but she spends most of her time alone. Uh, she was very skinny for her age, but I thought that was because of her illness. I should have seen that coming.
In India, home to 19% of world's children, it is estimated every second child is exposed to sexual abuse and or violence. The prevalence of child sexual abuse in high income countries is 20% for females and 8% of males.
यावी, ये देखो तुम्हारा फेवरेट रोल। वेट अ सेकेंड, अगर तुम्हें ये रोल चाहिए तो पहले ये दवाई लेनी होगी। चूज योरसेल्फ समथिंग। दवाई लोगी? फाइन देन, आइदर इट विल गो योर वे और इट विल गो माई वे।
यावी एक बहुत प्यारी बच्ची हुआ करती थी। आरती जी उसकी बीमारी के बारे में खुद बहुत बार जिक्र किया करती थी। हमारे यहाँ आरती जी को सभी बहुत पसंद करते हैं क्योंकि वो एक डेडिकेटेड माँ थी। पर मैंने खुद ने यावी को 6-7 बार चलते हुए देखा है। पहले तो मुझे भरोसा नहीं हुआ, फिर जाके सच सामने आया।
A clear case of how more often than not maladaptive coping mechanisms results in a very complex or severe form of abuse. Till 2013, factitious disorder imposed on another was known as Munchausen syndrome by proxy. Factitious disorder by proxy is a rare disorder which is described as the deliberate production or feigning of physical or psychological symptoms or signs in another person who is under the individual's care and support, and this commonly perpetrated by mothers against their own children. This is considered a crime because it is a form of child abuse. Munchausen by proxy is related to narcissism. Narcissism is it's a personality type. While they are distinct psychological conditions, they share overlapping behaviors and traits. It remains highly underdiagnosed in developing countries like India for multiple reasons. There are various reasons, that's why there is a lack of awareness amongst the general population. General population is not much aware about these conditions. And the lack of trained clinical psychologists for this diagnosis and intervention. Another karan may be the cultural practices, because in our cultural practices, it is not assumed that a maternal love and care towards their children, it is an unsaid notion which remains uniform throughout the country and culture.
यावी, पाइनएप्पल जूस।
इसका टेस्ट,
ध्यान टेस्ट पे नहीं, जूस पे दो।
Most criminals are themselves victim of abuse, and studies proved that an individual who is abused tend to be turned into a perpetrator. So, victim turned perpetrator. Hence, there is a need to understand such disorders in order to protect the society from the continued cycle of abuse. So, studies show that violence is proportional to economic status as well as cultural belief and practices. So, it is not like it is in low socio-economic status or in higher or middle. It is prevalent. The prevalence is in all categories. The data on socio-economic status found that the children from high income household were almost 4 times more vulnerable. This is the condition. You can assume it's not like a higher societies have low rate. It is more prevalent in higher societies, high income societies. They are more vulnerable to physical violence compared with children from low income households. So, while an act of malingering may be considered adaptive, by definition, if you see what is malingering, malingering is a very closer phenomena with factitious disorder. But malingering by definition, a diagnosis of a factitious disorder always implies psychopathology. If you are diagnosing factitious disorder, it has psychopathology. When it is malingering, there is no psychopathology present. So, completely merely absence of psychopathology means malingering. Henceforth, Munchausen syndrome by proxy is both disease and deception.